What's good, guy gang? Welcome to a video. Wait a minute. This isn't my channel.
Huh?
Why am I doing this?
Get out of the way! Hey, voice reveal, guys! I've been on this channel for so long, I have never done voice reveal, so here it is! This is just a compilation of me and Null being absolute dumbasses. So, yay!
I'm a chud, I'm a chud.
Okay, you wanna bit follow that man? What's up, guys? Albert Fingernoodle here. I farted in my grandpa's breathing machine, and his lungs turned black.
Huh?
I'm currently on the run after committing multiple felonies in a gated community. My buddy, Kevin Barnacle Jones, tried to kiss me on the lips while I was sleeping, and I punched him in the nose. Goofy uncle karate chopped my grandpa's broken knee, and he got turned into a pretzel. I thought it would be funny to put fireworks in my goofy dad's turkey sandwich. I injected type 2 diabetes into my grandpa's kneecap and pushed him down the stairs.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Hey, why don't you try taking this off?
Oh, I can see the world.
Take a look at the world for once.
So I'm just stuck with you?
You're not stuck. We can do this together. Just put the gun down and... Ah!
Mom, who's my dad?
I don't even know. Oh my.
Oh wow. A dangerous serial killer. That's crazy. I would ask my intern about it, but they're a bit busy. Yeah.
We are the blue fellers.
We are the
blue
blue fellers. We are the 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 blue fellers.
Hey, this looked pretty good, Matt. Wait, close set.
You are a young intern.
Twin, where have you been?
Where have you been?
Nobody knows like you. Nobody